Here's the 6th fan, the Hunter Devon Park in the living room. This one's been up for almost a year now. It replaced an old Jacksonville antebellum. We were up there patching the ceiling. Now we gotta patch it again, but when we were patching it the first time, we decided to switch out the fan. Comes with a remote control. We don't have it hooked up to the remote. It's just on the 4-speed quiet fan control that the old Jacksonville was on. Doesn't provide that much light, which is fine because during the day, those big windows up there provide plenty of light anyway, and at night we've got lamps and stuff, so it doesn't really matter. Take it all the way down to the lowest speed setting on the 4-speed control. Maybe I should let it turn it to high for just a minute and then drop it back. That's probably about where it should be. And then there's the 2nd speed, which is what it's on most of the time. Come on. Pick up speed. I know you're faster than that. It's got the heavy, sure speed blade, so it takes a while to get up there, but that's pretty close. Let's take it to speed 3. And this thing like a couple of others in the house, it'll really go. Straight to the high speed here. There it goes, making that annoying rattling noise again. I don't know why it does that, but it's really annoying. There's that. We got 2 more outside.